Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious French omelette. I saw Selena Gomez make this on her HBO Max show and I really wanted to make it as well because it looked delicious. So let's get started with the video. Begin by cracking 2 eggs in a bowl. Then add about 1 or 1/2 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream or milk. Adding cream or milk to your eggs will make your eggs fluffier and softer. Whisk your eggs until smooth. Once you're finished whisking, your eggs should no longer be thick. They should be thin and drip off your whisk easily. When you're finished, set your eggs to the side. In an 8-inch pan over medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once your butter has melted, add your eggs. Then add some white pepper and a pinch of salt. Proceed to scramble your eggs. If your eggs are cooking too fast, lower the heat. Once your eggs are almost cooked but still runny, you're going to spread them throughout the pan. Once your eggs have completely covered the pan, take your eggs off the heat. Then let it sit for 1 minute to help it release from the pan. Then add your cheese. The cheese I'm using is Boursin garlic and herb cheese. There are 3 ways I saw people add the cheese to their French omelette. Some people put it in the center, others put it on the side, but I decided to scatter mine throughout the omelette because that's usually what I do when I make an omelette. I scatter my cheese all around. Run your spatula under your omelette to see if it's ready to fold. Then begin to fold your omelette. Once you've made the first fold to your omelette, stop and add 1 tablespoon of butter to your pan. After that, continue to roll your omelette. Once you've completely rolled your omelette, go ahead and place it on a plate. Brush a little butter on your omelette to make it shiny. Then sprinkle some chives and salt on top. You're supposed to use fresh chives, but I couldn't find any fresh chives in my area at the time, so I just used dried chives. Then I paired my omelette with a slice of toasted brioche bread and some diced tomatoes. And this was the finished result. I am so proud of this omelette. It was really, really good. It was buttery, creamy, and just so delicious. I'm really happy it tasted as good as it looked. I had made it twice, that's how good it was. I totally recommend giving this recipe a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!